So this is our portable massage table. Nice handles on top, very nice soft leather feel. We can easily pop this and this to open up the inside where it includes all of the included accessories. So as you can see, they uses these wires to keep all of this nice and neat for you. You can easily loosen these to adjust this higher and lower as you may need. And then there's this one for your head. These actually stick in to the sides in these little holes here so that your arms have somewhere to lay. And then there's also this one for your neck, which just kind of keeps your neck a little higher off the table. Now if I pick this up, now our table's ready to go. All of your stuff stays neatly velcroed underneath here in case you need it, but otherwise you're ready to lay down on the table. You can take out the little face hole so you can look through to breathe, and then you're ready to give somebody a great massage in just a few moments with a very nice lightweight massage table. Now this table was not sent to me by the company. We did order this ourselves because my beautiful wife needed massages. So if you were to get one of these massage tables, someone could lay down exactly like that and you could give them a full body massage without having to break your back, and it'd be a lot more comfortable for you. That'll essentially do it for this massage table. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.